Hello, welcome to the demo of A2rok. This is an alternative of Ngrok and Cloudflare. I use WebSocket, Next.js, Express.js to make this product. So let me first explain how it works. So there will be a cloud server for A2rok, and there will be a package named A2rok which I deployed in npm package, and there will be a server of user. This can be HTTP, HTTPS, WebSocket or WebSocket in internet, anything. So it can work as a tunneling as well as proxy. Okay, so first of all, there will be a stable connection between the cloud server of A2rok and the local package, npm package, which will start a WebSocket connection between them. So whenever a user will hit with an request to a specific URL like this one, and this will be the domain. So this will be the subdomain, and if the user is not connected, if there is no connection, then it will show this error. Else the request will be passed to the cloud, and it will check the domain, and if the domain is existing in the DB, then it will pass the request to the local server in the npm package, and it can iterate to the request. Okay, and same goes to WebSocket. Like, it will connect to this, and there will be a stable connection using WebSocket, and the request will be passed to the local npm package, and it can connect to the user's local WebSocket server. Okay, and there will be connection here. So for HTTP, there will be two REST API calls and one WebSocket connection, and for WebSocket connections we will have total 3 of WebSocket connections. Okay, and data will be passed over here. So this is architecture that I have used. This is the website, and I haven't worked that much in the website. I majorly worked on the tech. So you can install it using npm install -g. Okay, and you can use these commands. Okay, and you can create domains over here. Okay, there is a create domain button, and you can use it to create new domains, and if one domain is occupied, then it will use next domains, and so ever. So there are two portfolio websites of mine, like one is on 5173 and other is on 3000. So let's start with one website. Okay, so I have already installed, so let me log out first of all. Okay, and you have to log in using A2rok space login. Okay, and it will open a page, and you have to authenticate over there, and I have already logged in. So yeah, I can close the window. Yep, it is logged in, and I can check over here using A2rok user. So this is my email which I have logged in, and now let's start with the routing. So this is the thing, this is the HTTP 5173 for this website 5173. Let's start the routing. Yep, this is the website that I can hit, and it will tunnel to localhost 5173. Okay, so this is the website in my local system, and this is a website, this is the same route. Let me refresh it. Yep, it's the same website which is loaded over here. Yeah, let me zoom out. Yeah, same thing. Okay, let me stop it, and you can see how many requests are sent and how many are open, and these are the recent requests. Okay, if I close it and refresh the page, yeah, there will be server not unavailable error. And if I can route to 3000, so this is the localhost 3000. So I can see there is this page. Okay, and one sec, I have installed some packages. So there is a test server which I have added. So let me test the WebSocket. Okay, WebSocket is in 8080 port. WS 8080. Okay, so for WebSockets we have to add the whole link, because we can't know what is the route for the WebSocket, as it can be in /ws/ hertz, anything. So that's why I've added the link part. Okay, so this is connected to this part. So let me open my Postman. One sec. this is my postman. Okay, so let me reconnect. This is the website. So this is the link /ws, and this is the dummy part. Yep. Connecting. Other missing queries. Yep, it's connected. So this is the request, and you can see over here in the terminal there is a out request. Okay, so if I send ping, yep, so there are two requests sent from the internet, not from the local. It is passed through the local and to the WebSocket connected with my local system to the my server, and from server to this part. Okay, and you can see all of the recent part. There is a heartbeat call. Yeah, and you can see there is a heartbeat call over here as well. So this is a basic architecture and project that I have made. So if you like it, then please like the video.